Well, some of you know, a few weeks ago I tried starting my big four-wheel drive, and I found dead batteries. I was kind of expecting it, but the littler one, that one took off just fine. So, take a win with a win. So, I'm gonna yank out these batteries as quick as I can here, and you're gonna notice a little glip here, and I'll be doing a little speed up video here of pulling the batteries. Well, that battery job didn't take as long as I thought it would, but I did screw up. Hope you guys caught that. But I'm going to show you guys. These batteries are Group 31s. They lasted pretty good. Because as you'll be able to see, they lasted quite a while. March of 2013, April of 2013, and when we get there of May. So they got good life out of these batteries, and really didn't start giving me trouble here till 2024, so 11, almost 12 years. Got my money's worth out of these. I don't like the price tag of new ones, but it's well worth it. Any of you guys that do boating and use deep cycle batteries, Group 31 is a pretty common battery to a lot of you guys. Not quite the same, but they're pretty close. So these are just standard ones. Kind of originally were put into a truck. Truck got parted out the winter of 2020 after some parts failures, and well, the truck's been sitting ever since, and I think it sat for a little over a year. That tractor had issues with the other batteries that were put in before these were bought, so just swap them out and get them as long life as possible. So these are going to go as cores. And I also got to look into another project here, guys. Sorry about the wind, but loading these up I noticed that was just the ship date. The actual manufacturer, April of 2013, March 2013, and November of 2012. So actually this battery almost made it 12 years. So that did pretty good. But send them in for cores and get the new batteries. I think that's like a $600 bill. So, oh well, the way it kind of goes. Well, back to the main farm. Leave the tractor sitting in the shed until later.